Good morning, dear student. Till now, we have discussed about features of made by different agents, and in this we have discussed about features made up by the rivers. And when a rivers come on the ground, meanders are formed, oxbow lake are formed, deltas also formed by the rivers, and distributaries, floodplains, levees are formed. So these are the features made up by the rivers, and few students have doubt related to sea waves. So what are the different features formed by sea waves? So I am repeating in these lectures what are the different features formed by the sea waves. In this these are the main features formed by the sea waves, like sea caves, sea arches, stake and sea cliff and sea beaches also features formed by the sea waves. See the pictures of sea caves. So this is the main features formed by sea waves when water continuously strike with the rocks and a hole come bigger and bigger, that is known as the sea caves. And when such holes become large in size, like a sea caves, also known as a littoral cave, it is the type of cave formed primarily by the wave action of the sea. जो waves होती है up and down, तो such waves strike with the rocks and form the such features through the erosions, because rock part eroded by the sea waves. So this is known as the sea caves. Another one important features, when sea caves become bigger and bigger, only the roof of the caves remain, केवल टॉप पार्ट ऑफ द रॉक्स बचा हुआ रहता है, बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ इंटरनल पार्ट रिमूव बाय द sea caves, sea waves. Inside the sea caves, completely internal part removed by the sea waves. So it is known by the sea arches, like you can see in the pictures. This pictures is known as the, in this slide you have seen, this is known as the sea arches. But when top part of these rocks removed by the sea waves, so this is known by the sea stakes, like this. Erosion break the roof and only walls are left. Due to the erosions by the sea waves, top part of the rocks, means the roof, छत जो होती है, it is completely removed by the sea waves, or this wall like a features is known by the sea stakes. Can you see the pictures? Yes, in this slide pictures are given. Next one is the, like due to the erosions, yes, horizontal walls may be made up by the sea waves. This features is known by the sea cliff. It is known as the sea cliff. So these are the main features formed by the sea waves. Sea cliff means the steep rocky coast rising almost vertical above the sea water is called sea cliff. Vertical above the sea water, earlier picture you have seen, this picture is the vertical above the sea water, that is known as the sea cliff. The sea caves Sea waves deposit sediment along the shores, forming the beaches. This is known as the sea beaches. We have seen in Goa, in Bombay, such features made by the sea waves. So these are the main features formed by the sea waves. First one is the sea cave. When it change into the sea arches, when a top part of rocks are removed by the sea waves, that is known as the sea stakes, or when only top part or vertical part of coastal area, that is known as the sea cliff. So these are the features made up by the sea waves.